Hi everyone, welcome into Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to capture screenshots in Playwright step by step. Capturing screenshots help you visually verify your web pages during automation test. It is great for debugging issues and keep records of your test results. So let's begin. This is login page example, and here define two test cases: login with valid credentials and login with invalid credentials. So if you want to capture a screenshot, suppose you want to capture a screenshot on successful login, and this title product should be displayed after login. So here we will enter await page dot screenshot method, and then round bracket. Inside this round bracket we will enter path. Suppose you want to save screenshot in base file here, so here we can enter here path and then enter screenshot name, screenshot.png. This is the extension of the image and this is the image name. Now save this file and it will capture the screenshot after successful login. Enter command here for running test npx playwright test and then enter file name. File name is login dot spec dot ts edit project chromium. If you want to run the specific test, so you need to define here file name. Now click on enter. In this scenario, it will capture the screenshot after login successfully. Running test. Here you can view login successfully. Let's see. This is the report after execution. And here you can view screenshot.png after successful login, because here we define take the screenshot after login. Same as well, if you want to capture the screenshot after entering username, invalid and password, then capture the screenshot. So you can also enter here after this timeout, we can add here. Now we can also capture the screenshot of a specific element. The screenshot of a specific element, enter here username and then enter password in password field and then click on login. Suppose you want to capture the screenshot of only products. In Playwright, we can also capture the screenshot of a specific element. Remove this one and then we will enter const locator is equal to page dot locator and then enter this title dot title and then await locator. Here we enter locator. This is the variable name, locator dot screenshot round bracket and then enter curly bracket inside. Enter path and screenshot. Copy this one and enter here. Remove this one. Now in this scenario, it will capture the screenshot of a specific element, which is products. Here we define assertion await expect page.locator to have text products. This text should be displayed after clicking on the login button When the user successful login, this product's text should be displayed in a home page. And run again the test. We can change here screenshot 1. Run the test. Running 2 test using 2 workers. Navigate to this URL, enter username and password. Now, in Playwright, the execution of the test in parallel, so it's running too fast, and here you can view capture screenshot of products only. As you can view here, this products only capture the screenshot of products. We can define this screenshot configuration in configuration file. Remove this one, save this file and open this file. Playwright config.ts, and inside this use we can define screenshot configuration. A screenshot, then there are multiple options. If you set here off, it means after the test execution, a screenshot will not be captured. If you set here on, now screenshot will be captured. And other option also available here. You can view on failure, only on failure. When the test case failed, then capture the screenshot. Enter comma here, save this file, and suppose we enter here invalid get by role, this enter here invalid value. Enter here button 1. We can change here inside this name. Now enter here. Suppose we enter invalid value here. This is await page dot get by role. Get by role means button. This is button and name is equal to login. Here we enter invalid locator value. Now the test case will be filled and screenshot will be captured. Remove this screenshots and run the test. Running test. Navigate to this URL, login with valid and invalid credentials. There we enter invalid value. So it will wait for few seconds and then capture the screenshot. After this timeout, screenshots will be captured. As you can view here, test case has been failed, login with valid credentials. This is the test timeout, and screenshot should be captured. Screenshot will be captured inside test results. Open this folder. This is test case name, login with valid credentials. Login with valid credentials, and open this folder, and screenshot has been captured successfully. As you can view, the standard user, enter username and enter password. It does not click on login button because here we enter invalid name value. So that's our for today tutorial on capturing screenshot in Playwright. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Escape World for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.